Many people believe that making money in real estate requires owning property, but that's not true. There are several ways to generate income from real estate without ever buying a home, managing tenants, or dealing with maintenance costs. By leveraging smart investment strategies and real estate services, you can profit from the industry without the risks and responsibilities of ownership. One of the easiest ways to earn is through real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own and manage income-producing real estate, such as apartment buildings, office spaces, and shopping malls. By investing in REITs, you can earn passive income through dividends, just like stocks. They provide high liquidity, meaning you can buy and sell shares anytime without dealing with the hassle of owning physical properties. Another strategy is real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise and RealtyMogul allow you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $100 to $500. These platforms pool money from investors to finance commercial properties, offering attractive returns through rental income and property appreciation. This method gives you access to high-value properties without needing a large upfront investment. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, consider becoming a real estate wholesaler. Wholesaling involves finding undervalued properties, negotiating a contract with the seller, and then assigning that contract to a buyer for a profit. You never actually purchase the property, you just connect buyers and sellers and earn a fee. This method requires good networking and marketing skills, but can be highly profitable without requiring capital or credit. Another way to profit is through short-term rental arbitrage. Instead of buying a home, you can rent a property and legally sublease it on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo for a higher nightly rate. Many entrepreneurs use this strategy to create passive income streams by managing multiple short-term rentals with minimal upfront costs. If you enjoy marketing and sales, you can also earn money by becoming a real estate agent or referral partner. You don't need to own property to make commissions on deals. Some agents work as referral partners, connecting buyers and sellers with licensed realtors in exchange for a referral fee, usually 20 to 30% of the agent's commission. Another overlooked method is property management services. Many landlords don't want the hassle of dealing with tenants, rent collection, and maintenance. By offering property management services, you can charge a monthly fee, typically 8 to 12% of the rental income, to handle these tasks without ever owning the property yourself. For those who prefer digital real estate, buying and selling domain names related to real estate can be lucrative. Just like physical land, high-demand domain names appreciate in value. Real estate agents, developers, and investors often pay thousands of dollars for premium domain names that give them a competitive edge online. Making money from real estate without owning property is all about leveraging knowledge, creativity, and the right strategies. Whether you invest in REITs, flip contracts, manage rentals, or build a real estate side business, there are endless opportunities to profit in the industry without ever buying a home. The key is to take action and find the best approach that aligns with your skills and resources.